Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a topic mechanism of lightning stroke. So during lightning we know that there will be a discharge that occurs from the cloud towards the ground or between two neighboring clouds. So that is called as lightning phenomenon actually. So during this lightning process, the cloud as well as the ground both will be acting as a gigantic capacitor. So capacitor means inside the between the two plates, the air will be acting as a insulating medium. Okay, so during normal condition, the air that will be acting as an insulator and which will not allow the current flow between the cloud as well as the ground. And during this thundercloud, the large particles that possess negative charges and the smaller particles that possess positive charges. So, since it is in large particles, its density that will be very high. So, this negative charges that will be available at the lower region of the cloud. At the same time, due to induction principle, this negative charges this will induce the positive charges at the Earth surface. So the bottom of the cloud that becomes negatively charged and the Earth that becomes positively charged. Now, we know that each and every medium which will have its own dielectric strength, and the dielectric strength of the air is nothing but 10 kilovolt per centimeter. So, under normal condition, the air that will be acting as a dielectric, that is, it will be acting as an insulating medium, and which will not allow the movement of electrons. But whenever the voltage that is 10 kilovolt per centimeter, then immediately the breakdown of the air occurs, and so that the streamer will starts to develop and it will be moving towards the ground with a velocity of 1 by 10 times that of the light. And this streamer that may process only about 50 meters from the start center, but it cannot able to reach the ground level. The reason is nothing but the reason is nothing but which will not have the sufficient energy to reach the ground. So whenever it stops, it will be emitting a light, bright light, and it will stop moving. So this halt, which may be due to insufficient buildup of electric charge at the head of the streamer and not sufficient to maintain the necessary field gradient for the further process of the streamer. That is, at the tip of the streamer, the energy density which is not sufficient for the further progress of the streamer. So that's why it will the streamer that stops at a 50-meter height from the center of the cloud. But this will not happen for a long duration. So, after a short duration, for example, we can say after a small period of 100 microseconds, the streamer again starts and again it will be moving towards the ground. So, this discharge that will be termed as stepped ladder, and this will be explained by means of a diagram. And here this is the first diagram. Here the diagram or the cloud which consists of two negative charge centers. This is nothing but a negative charge center, this is another one negative charge center. So initially the this cloud and the ground that will be acting as a gigantic capacitor with air as the insulating medium. Whenever the voltage of the air that exceeds 10 kilovolt per centimeter, then the breakdown occurs, and so that the streamer that will be starts from the first charge center towards the ground. So that streamer that will be termed as pilot streamer. But this pilot streamer can able to move only 50 meters from the center of the cloud, and it cannot able to move further because the energy which is not sufficient for the further movement. And after a small period, that is 100 microsecond, again the streamer that starts and that will be moving towards the ground, and this will be termed as stepped ladder. and the branches that also started from the stepped leader, and why it is called as stepped leader, that is nothing but there will be a series of branches that will be created, so that branches that is called as jumped, and that is referred as stepped leader. Okay. And as the leader stroke that approaches the ground, what will happen means there is a connection between the ground as well as the ground. There is a discharge from the cloud towards the ground. So the potential between the cloud as well as the ground increases. So what will happen means the from the ground, the positive charges that will be starts and moving towards the cloud, and that will be termed as discharges, that is lightning discharges. And during this process what will happen means at some points the charge concentration that will be very high, and so that there will be an initiation of return stroke from from the earth towards the cloud, and that will be traveling in the same path. See here, See here. So when the charges that reaches the ground, what will happen means here we will have the negative charges, and in the ground we will have the positive charges. And wherever this discharge occurs, at that particular position, the energy field intensity that will be very high. And due to this high energy, there will be a return stroke from the earth towards the cloud that occurs. And due to this return stroke, the first charge center that will be completely discharged, and the streamer begin developing the second charge center. And the return stroke is followed by several strokes. And the leader of the second and the subsequent strokes are named as dot leader. Okay. So here, initially, the first charge center that will be completely discharged, and then due to this high energy, this return stroke that will be moving towards the second charge center, and again which will try to discharge the charges in the second charge center also. And this is termed as dart leader. The positive streamers are going up from the ground, and this is called as heavy return stroke. That is, if the same thing that appears or again it will happens, that is called as heavy return stroke. Okay, that is why it is termed as heavy return stroke is nothing but the potential between the cloud as well as the ground that will be very high now. Okay, so that's why the heavy return stroke that occurs between the cloud as well as the ground, and this discharges takes place between the cloud, that is known as sheet lightning, and the time required for the stepped leader to reach the ground, that is 20 milliseconds. Within this 20 milliseconds, what will happen means the discharge occurs between the cloud as well as the ground, and that is also shown in this figure. So initially the first charge center that will be fully discharged, and this will be moving towards the second charge center, and from the second charge center again there will be a returning of negative charges, and that will follow the same path towards the ground. And this is the process that happens, and we have seen how the discharge that will be occurs during this lightning process.